Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make this furniture. Okay, first of all, we have to make the cylinder with a circle, and then we can set the radius. The radius is around 200. Okay, this is around 200, and don't forget to duplicate it to the top. Just select this move, just select this plane, move, and press Control, then move to the upper position, approximately just like this, and then you have to make it cylinder right there, approximately about 450 approximately. Then we have to triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, and then we have to make the line. We have to make the line right there. Then we have to make the another line, this one. Then we have to triple click make and make the arc, 2-point arc. Then we can we can select this one. This is, and then we have to make the arc again to make it smooth. Triple click and it's has been done. Or if you uh, make the another design, okay, this is smoother than before. Then you have to we have to click this one and just click it and select follow me and click this one. Okay, I mean it was read and make group, and we have to push it up again just a little bit maybe. Okay, approximately. Okay, then we have to move it up. Okay, if you have a trouble to move the surface, to scale the surface, you have to click this one, and then you can select the soften edge. Then you have to minimize the value of the angle between normals. So we have to triple click and select from the right click from the top, left click on the top, and then left click on the right click bottom, and then you have to select move and place on this position. Okay, then we have to select the line and place on the midpoint. We have to place on the midpoint, I mean. Okay, we have to find the midpoint of this group anyway. Okay, approximately just like this. Then we have to make the another cylinder. Start from here. Then we have to push it up. Then we have to push it up, and then we have to offset it inside. Just click this outline, and then you have to move and place on this position. Triple click, right click, and make group, and delete for unnecessary object. Then we have to set the materials. We can select the wood and place with the proper material, or maybe this one. Okay, I mean it was finished. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.